Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start where access exists. Sign into the Google account that stores the backups, then open Google Photos. Once done, check settings for backup and sync and enable it if off. This begins uploading or refreshing metadata. Make sure you use the same account on phone and web, otherwise you'll miss items. If you're on mobile, grant storage and network permissions so the app can list backed up items. Now move to viewing the backed up photos. You'll find backed up items in Photos and Library. Tap Photos on mobile or click Photos on the web to load thumbnails. Use search to type dates, places, or people for fast filtering. This works because Google indexes metadata. Also open Library right arrow device folders to compare what's backed up versus local only. If a folder isn't backed up, toggle it on. Once you confirm the images appear here, you can select, download, or share them as needed. Finish by selecting backed up images and choosing Share or Download to save copies. On web, use Shift or Control to multi-select quickly. Make sure you have enough Google storage and check settings right arrow backup and sync for last successful sync time. That tells you if anything's missing. If photos don't appear, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi, then force a sync. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.